Nubia TV Star Times channel 195. We dey discuss plenty fail inside WAEC and who go fit help us change the face of our educational sector. Oga Bobby, we thank you for your patience. Say you just dey for line the way to contribute for inside this matter. Good morning, we dey hear you.
I don't get problem. I not get any problem to wait. When they concern education, I not get problem. I can spend all your credit to.
Thank you very much, Oga Bobby.
Oga Bobby.
The matter be say our politicians, the men, may they ask themselves the truth. Not be private school of government school. They go.
Yes.
True.
Every Buhari self, when they showed a Buhari picture that time when he go school, now government school go.
True.
Not be private school. True. All of them when they there, so all of them when they power, all na government school they go. Me myself, I go government school.
Of course.
You yes. So nowadays private school called the rain. The money too high, self. You know. Then one other thing when they pay me for inside, they say they come abroad. They come come see the government for abroad this side.
Yes.
And then they ask the question, how na do na system of education?
Okay, but we shouldn't have to ask questions. They know what they do, but they don't want to do.
Exactly, because they know what they do. Now we, the citizens of that country, we need to put here together and focus to make sure that this education system will move forward. You understand me now?
Yes.
Involve private sector into our private our
public
education. You understand me now? Like giving scholarship, all those things, them, not be said now for rich children, for poor man children. You understand me? Like if you look at America today, America they use scholarship sports.
They encourage education for their side.
They athletes them. They'll give a scholarship. Make sure they do the sport and they set at the school. You know, so those are the system we need to adopt. We need to adopt some system where we say go work for us. Go push all those young boys them to focus on the education. By the time when we say you go finish school, you still be athlete. You get a degree.
You get certificate somewhere.
Shaquille O'Neal a police officer now. He go school. Now police officer, but they play basketball. All of them when you see, so they go school. Finish school. The same time they play the sport. So those are the things when we get to involve into our educational system.
True.
You understand? So
yes.
so those are the things there.
Thank you very, very much for expressing your thought on this matter.
Thank you very, very much.
Yes, because education, just as we talk, now very, very important. Very important. Madam Queen. Madam Queen, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
We dey fine,
Madam Queen. Madam Queen,
long time. I got location, no vex.
Madam Queen.
Yes.
You sabi where our office dey?
No, I don't know.
Okay, we go give you the information later.
Okay.
But based on say we want to encourage our mama them or our sisters them, make them they call to chook mouth for matter when concern all of us for Nigeria. We get one special package when we say we won't give you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you very much.
We go let you know where our office they make you come collect them. Chook mouth for this matter.
Okay, as this matter dey, so education matter, it dey pain me well because me for my time na government school I go.
Obviously,
as a matter of fact, my papa get money but my mama no get, and my papa was not really that type of person wey really care. So na food my mama said say train us, so na government school we go. And I did this level where I did, all thanks to government school, because that time government school been good.
Yes, so
I get son, my son they go school, na private school he dey. The reason why in the private school we say our government school is not good again. At all. Even the private school self, you go do house lesson, school lesson and everything. Before your pikin go fit sabi book. Take of say the teachers, they know they pay them well. So the teachers not they serious. Then go before school go close, they don't come up for school. They go find another means to get money. That's now one. And for these children where they fail, I don't go blame only government. I go blame parents too. Some parents, their pikin go there primary 1. They go promote them, go
double
primary 3. Why you go do your pikin double promotion? They call me for my son's school. My son they go primary 5 now.
At 15 years.
My son they primary 5 now. They say make I promote them, go primary. I said I know they promote them. Make him go primary 6. Make e finish the primary so I go mature well to enter secondary school.
Yes.
Some of these children know they mature before they enter secondary school. They will come get bad friends. The friends go they control them. That's now for parents' side. Make them they let them they finish their class because what they go teach them for primary 1 or primary 2 or whichever class, they're different from what they don't learn.
Exactly.
That's now one. And for government, any country where don't take education serious, that country don't they doomed to fail. Because you know raise future leaders. How you go still get future leaders when no sabi book now? When picking no sabi spell, no sabi read, you no sabi do anything.
True.
So at the end of the day, they recycle old people where suppose don't give us chance. How old people go give us chance if we no demand for the chance? And if you no sabi book, how you go take demand for the chance? So that's now for government part. So we as society in general, we supposed to look into the matter. May we pay our teachers well, so that when our children go government school, they don't go use their pile egusi.
They say now for heaven they will collect their gain. No,
their reward not supposed to heaven. Their reward there for this country, there for every country. May they pay them well. May they treat them well, so that they go teach our children well. Because if they don't teach our children well, how we go get doctors? How we go get lawyers? How we go get anything we want get? It's not fair. May them pay them better money so that they go look into our children. We help
Madam Queen, you don't finish talk on top of this matter.
Summarize.
In fact, based on say this all this way you don't talk now, we make you the vice principal of Asideot because Nami be the principal. So that
respect yourself. Let's just maintain.
Who could be the labor prefect now?
Maintain this decorum and continue to talk this issue because right about now, this because of that I want make God bless me. I want make God bless you. Make we collect this call from God bless all the way from Warri. God bless. Good morning.
Kobe, thank you very much.
Yes.
Kobe, good morning.
Good morning. God bless.
Kobe, good morning.
Okay, God bless. I throw a salute.
My brother, bless you this morning for this topic, and the topic they shock my heart. My brother, the last conference damage for children. I played to go for the thing that happened. The parents are the worst culprits. Primary 6 became Papa won't help him write exam. Papa won't help him write exam. The parents are the people causing the problem of this country. Your picking on no book, you don't know book.
You want to push and beyond this thing. You want to push and over.
Yes, picking not on truck when they push. Now, not on truck. So the problem are the parents. And the parents. So I beg, make we talk to our parents. And those of our leaders, when don't say that the education, federal minister of education, so they make noise the worker, bring back our girls. The ones when they cover, they're not doing well. They make noise the worker for this country. But we tell them, make them try. Anytime you get position, use that position well.
Yes,
our children now, the only thing they know not to watch film, watch cartoon. That is what they know. And the parents go see them, they don't go talk, the kid don't go read book. So, my brother, make us stop here. Thank you.
God bless. Thank you very, very much. In fact, the angle you also bring out from another important angle, the angle of the parents. Because Madam Queen don't be talking and say, look, in as much as say government get their own blame, there are other places where blame supposed to come. The parents, the school, in fact,
society.
The society.
Equal.
Yes, Femi, because of say we get Femi for you, you self get Femi for us, no collect call from you.
Waiting be this one way they do. You
Femi,
go just use person name turn upside down. We get Femi for you. Waiting be this one
good
now.
Good morning, Femi.
Oga Okubi, good morning. Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Femi.
Yeah, so this is our topic today, and a very serious topic. We must iron out well.
Yes.
See, number one thing they say, our leaders don't fail us, sincerely. Because when we did small, the stories where we did hear, they say, during their time, this was like this, was like that, during their time. But why they can't leave everything on hold?
Yes.
They no improve on everything where they ground. The same old things where they now we can't inherit now. They go tell, I go remember them, my professor they always tell me, say, once you finish secondary school, job they wait for you. But now the other way around. Now millions they search for jobs and no be job they wait for them any longer. That means say they no improve on waiting they ground.
Exactly.
They're going to tell us now to be this thing. Say okay, we should go into farming. Why they are not going to farming then? Why there no sacrifice for things to be better for us today? They go to say those days for school, and like this, they are us they build, and like this they enjoy for school. Why we will not express what things? That means our leaders they failed us. To tell you they have failed us. Then secondly, children fail their head too. let us come down to our own level too. Teacher are good, teacher are bad. If you want to develop yourself, you develop yourself.
Yes.
You get up, then when I did secondary school then, before I enter new term, I don't finish the work. I don't read ahead, I read ahead of my class. So why can't children nowadays do that? Why can't their parents, why can't they assist them in reading ahead of their class?
Yes.
So parents, so government, so the children themselves, we have a lot to do. We have our roles to play. And that's it.
Oga Femi, thank you very much.
Very, very much.
Very wise words. Now you carry come all the way from Makurdi. But make I quickly contribute to a small thing when Oga Femi talk. Oga Femi talk say when he be small, he go don finish the syllabus.
Ahead of.
I believe say every Nigerian. I don't want see if you even check the statistics, Nigerians naturally are very, very intelligent people.
No, we are. We are.
Not be just whether we dey read or write.
Shey,
for anything
we
wey
get
we
one
dey do.
experience wey I wan tell you. But before then, make we collect this call from Kunle. Kunle dey call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Kunle.
Good morning, Oga Nkobi.
Yes.
How today? Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Oga Kunle, I throw a salute.
Morning. How's today?
We
Fine.
thank God.
Let's go direct to the point.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you know the issue of this education in Nigeria? You know, those days, they say discipline is part of education. It's even the key to the education. When you notice those days, there's discipline in the school.
Yes.
Which, when you are disciplined, when your teacher tells you to do this, you will do even your senior can even teach you those days, and you listen. But if you look at what we are experiencing today now, even both public and the private school, there's no discipline. And when students, when they don't have discipline, understand now, it will hard you to even train them.
True.
Because a student that is not respecting you, you do whatever he likes in the class. So if you are even teaching, even teacher, they will now even take it as a normal thing.
Yes.
Understand? Because there's no discipline. Understand? And this thing is affecting our system of education. If you notice those days, if I senior you with a class, you cannot even look at my face.
Exactly. We are experiencing now.
And whatever I tell you to do, you will do. If I come to your class during prep, I want to teach you. You will even listen to me more than the teacher. And again, this public school, they are affecting the system of education in Nigeria. They don't have standard. Our government need to checkmate the public school. Now you'll be hearing about medical center. Before we know that school is not established to make profit, but now they are established to make profit.
True.
You see, the student will come there, understand? You'll be paying 50,000 for WAEC, and they will tell him that he's going to make the WAEC there. That is sure banker.
True.
And you see that all these public schools, they employ incompetent teachers. So you see, go to public school, you see a school starts teaching in a secondary school that without even education background. So you see, okay, why are they, which knowledge are they going to pass? Maybe some of them have not even got their WAEC, their school start correct. You understand? And if you notice, most of those public schools, understand now, if you go there, because of the profit they are going to make, even the children did not pass, they will promote him.
Okay.
But if you notice public school, if you fail, you fail. They will tell you to repeat.
Exactly.
Oga Kunle, if we allow you continue like this, I know say you go just the thing go just they come out. All this one we just do up, we go just hold down. Thank you very much for the important points where you don't carry give us. So Oga Kunle don't talk and finish. It's finished. It's clear. Oga Kunle don't finish this matter.
Okay, we got Ogoke. Good morning, Ogoke.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukodi.
Oga okay from Calabar. Good morning, sir.
How on a day now?
We dey fine.
May God bless on a day.
And you too, Jare.
This system of education in Nigeria is very bad. It's very, very bad. But let me say this thing. My Bible tells me, heaven help those who help themselves. This thing now, this education of a thing we are talking about today, now is in three ways. Number one, government needs to help to do something and upgrade our educational level. Then, secondly, parents need to also help out, monitor their children, know what they are doing, whether they are really into school. Whether
they're on track, yeah.
Exactly, because some parents don't really care. They only care about bringing out money. Whatever they tell and they do, but they don't even really care
whether the child they pass for
this
school or
money
not.
I'm spending, whether it's really
It
going,
is-
they
yeah.
have, you know. So again, these children also should help themselves. You understand? And again, our government, you get what I see. What I see, be say they no one, because the reason why they no one do something about public school is that they want a situation whereby they will be sending their children to private school. At the end of the day, they will still occupy their position. Maybe when they step down, something. I don't know if you people are getting me.
Oh,
We get you. We get you. We are getting
Eh?
you.
Would they
So-
reason the same way they reason?
My brother, I don't see all these things. So anytime when I see these things, I they cry for Nigeria. I they cry, say we don't know what they do ourselves. Because I remember because now private school I go, you get one match where would they do that type of assembly? They will be singing. Parents, listen to your children.
Yes,
You are the leaders of tomorrow. When would that tomorrow come? I've been waiting for the tomorrow to come. But at the end of the day, I never
As
see
we
the
don't
tomorrow.
get as it dey hot, when we say everybody don't they get mouth to talk am the
Thank
way
you.
anything be.
God bless you now.
That tomorrow don't come.
Thank you very much, Ogoke. In fact,
we make
thank
I
you.
want no way, me I want you before you come they talk. In begin they sing song, parents listen to their children. You want they join and they sing song. The time when you go,
Because that member,
excuse me,
parents, listen to your
no,
children.
excuse me, not be this
we
kind.
are the leaders of tomorrow.
No, you go make mistake, oh. You
No,
go make.
nah, I'm on track.
You go which on
Try
track?
to pay your school fees
You go make mistake, oh.
and give us free education.
Which
or
free?
Give us better education.
Which better?
I mean, just mix them
Who
up.
could be then say and give us sound education, no
And
be free, no be better.
better education as
Who
well.
could be the time when you go school? Now the old national anthem, now they read. No, they drag with young people, young song. The time when you una marching song, no be for Igbo, una they always they sing am. Okay, talk say when in the primary school they sing one song, he start the song, you want help and complete, and you be Al Kelly.
You could, if not because of say we get call from Abuja, I for tongue lash you.
Tongue lash me.
We get Jonah from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Jonah. Jonah, good morning. Oga Jonah, you there?
Why you go there? Why you go there? When you don't sing song when we say youth suppose they sing. When we sing for national anthem.
If you be youth, wetin I be?
Which one be youth? Which
Mind yourself, I don't dey warn you.
Which
Make
youth
we
be?
just, if not because of Oga Sam wey dey call us now. I don't dey warn you. Oga Sam dey like to intervene to our matter. Oga Sam, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ezi Gonchukudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam from Ikotun.
Two of you, on a matter, is just like husband and wife.
No.
Even if that husband, I am the husband in this case. He can be the wife.
Oga Sam, our matter be like landlord
Two
and
of you are
tenant.
giving us-
Landlord
you are
and
putting
tenant.
morale. Yes. To the matter of today,
Yes, we dey hear.
yes, as it is. Now, WAEC is holding state to ransom for not paying the exam fees.
13 states.
These are one of the areas where governors are telling, after not putting good education in the state, in the country, they now decide to pay money to WAEC so they can able to loot our economy. You get me now, so that in the state education is failing. State education is failing. Back to home, our passenger own nursery school, you own primary school, you own secondary school, you own university, and I'm going to training free of charge. These are people who enjoy free education, so get their part education out of the list of poor man, and they're not paying millions to WAEC in terms of paying exam fees for poor people. Whereas that is the way they are losing the money. That's why WAEC is holding them also that since you are paying for exam fees, also pay us because it's a way of losing the economy. So until we go back to reason as Awolowo was saying that education is the power and the economy of a nation, we should return back to give power to public schools so that everybody, every time we have access to education without paying for any exam fees. May God help this country in Jesus' name.
Oga Sam,
don't go
thank you
spiritual.
very much.
Oga Sam, thank you very much. You see,
Thank
who could be
you
other
very
thing say most people when they hear public, they think say na bad thing. Make we take Dimma from Lagos. If good morning, Dimma.
Hello, good morning. Nkubi and Chukwode.
Good morning, Madam Dimma.
How na day?
We dey fine.
I light off na well, but na first time when they pick my calls.
No vex.
You are,
I just want to contribute for this school matter.
Okay.
God bless two of na.
Thank you.
But the truth of the matter, they say, you wanna see our government, they have a lot to blame. Hello, I don't know if you people are getting me.
No, they hear you.
The truth of the matter is that if we really want to do something about public schools, you see how this private school will full all over Nigeria now. If you come private school where they this country, he pass house where people they live, make them begin to close and down. Because you go to some private school, when you finish primary SS3, whether your result is good or no good, they go employ you, begin to pay you 5,000. Then you go see parents, just like our brother wake up before, we said because school like.
Madam Dima.
Hey!
Now, some private school, when class teacher beat students, the parents go carry and go show headmistress or school professor. You go to say they go sack that teacher from school. So this thing make them to give the children free hand to do the thing where they want to fact. I don't know how I will say it, but the truth of the matter be say, make our federal government quit our teachers, quit public school, so that we go get better education from this country. Thank you.
Madam Dimma, in fact, you dey talk from the experience of Mawe go through the same process, the same public school idea, and you also talk about person wey get pikin wey say you wan make your pikin make you learn am the right way. In fact, madam,
make we go break, no dey shine eye. She don talk finish, Madam Dimma. You talk. Make we go this break, come, I will control the talk as e dey hot. Welcome back to the senior brother for the television wey dey inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 go reach 11. We dey carry topic when they comot smoke, so that you go talk am the way when the thing be you for body, and those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action. Ezuku Chukudi and Nkubi dey inside house, and wetin we dey discuss na the plenty fail when dey inside WAEC. Who go come to come help us change the face of our education inside Obodo Nigeria? Plenty people don call, don chook mouth for inside the matter. People talk say government get work to do, teachers get work to do, parents get work to do, and even we wey we dey for society get work to do, because without education we are nothing.
Yeah, Chukwudi, just as from our callers, if you see the amount of calls we don't get, and there are different opinions to this, you go see say the problem not just be a bulk problem of the government alone.
True.
Now, problem we say is spread round. Everybody get hand for this thing. Whether it good tomorrow, you get hand. Whether it bad tomorrow, you get hand. Some of us they come and call they blame government. Now some of us who they blame government, we say we go to their house, they blame government. Now some of them they also encourage say, okay, my pikin,
you must pass by fire by force. My brother must pass by fire by force.
The necessary platform we go make them pass the pass. Maybe because say, okay, how you say go fit pass this stuff. If you carry expo enter, if you do this one, or you want make person write your exam for you, all those kind of things. Or in fact, there are different ways, different angles. Oga Bobby, they call us back.
It in Penamo.
Oga Bobby.
He pay me well. Pay me.
So if you to call back, he pay you well.
He pay me rich bone. Na bone he pay me rich.
We are contribute.
Now my marrow bone. I ain't enter. The thing is, whether I want to talk, we say, may federal government try to the budget money aside for education, no matter the party, whether na PDP or APC or anyone, they need to put head together to the set money aside for education, to infrastructure our education, infrastructure of our education. Excuse me. If our infrastructure of our education is very poor, you see, so from the infrastructure, not to say the teachers
welfare,
the way teachers they teach you. Now, from the way when you enter public school, when you look the buildings, it will discourage you.
Exactly, the structures we don't die.
You understand me now?
Yes.
The infrastructure is too poor.
Yes.
We need to invest on infrastructure. That's one. Then two, the teacher welfare. You understand me now? They say why I say teacher welfare. They say they need to monitor every schools them. They check how the teacher they do well, and what they lack of, what they need to improve on. Those are the things that when we say they need to check them on.
Yes.
You understand me now? That are 2. 3. Yeah. Those for school. I remember those days for school they do agric. They plant cassava, plant potato, this one, that one. That are something where we say they can use until they feed children for school. You understand me now? Because why I say so, they say, pikin will not eat for house. Yeah? But if you know, say, yes, say, he go eat for school. Yeah? He go hurry up, me come school. By the time we break day, he go eat for school. You understand me now? Parents will not see food, give it pikin. Parents will not see food, give it pikin to eat for house. He go not say, yes, when pikin go school, he go see eat for school. You understand me now? Then he go make it pikin now. You're not going to think about are they hungry? Because you know, say yes, if he eat finish, you're not going to worry about that one. But now a book he go focus on. You understand me? So those are the things that we say they need to work on.
Okay, but thank you very, very much. You don't hit the nail for the head, and you don't talk am. This second time when you call, now just solution, now you can't give. We don't check and balance all the calls when we say, I don't call to Chukma for inside this matter. If we check the statistics, that is the number of people when we say they get credit for at least 5 of the subjects. Come check them with the number of people when we say they fail. The thing not be something when we say they improve at all. And we don't see steady decline, that is, if they go down, just like Oga Charles State talk. For 2012, we get the percentage when we say they fail. For 2013,
38.81, now we get for
we make credit.
We make credit. Then which means if not 38.1 get credit, which means now about how many?
62%. Now fail.
Then 2003,
63%. Now fail. 2014, 70%. Now fail. And just this year,
70% now fail. Hey!
Calm down now, take it easy now. You no pay you reach people when no call talk. Which one be 70% na fail? You write
it's too much now, 70% fail.
No wait, you write WAEC. Why you call the shout out like say na you?
What do you mean by I write WAEC? What do you mean? Why I no write WAEC?
Why you shout 70%?
I pass through my stages. Why I no write WAEC? What do you supposed to mean? So Chukudi, no they bring that kind of question. Ask no, wait, you may I even ask you which one you write? Eh?
Which one?
It is say you no book greet me.
My certificate complete. Oh.
My own said they complete. Oh, you just say no. Okay, may I ask you this question?
Make I end the show before you ask me.
No, make I ask you this question.
Make I end the show before you ask me question.
We don't go. Our viewers are beg. And yes, we don't see the whole issue where we drop for ground. And then the issue get to do with education, the declining state of our education system. And that is what we think. That is what to make our government do about it. And that be the issue. And what in us as individuals, as parents, as guardians, as teachers, feel do about it. Now we ask. I'm not just we look for solution. Yes, till tomorrow we can do bonga matter coming away to from you because I'm right there.
They say when you end show, you they talk like say you just they start the show. People know why you get to talk. Ask your question.
My question.
You not saying they fear. The reason why in the waste time because say you know the question.
Who will be the person waiting for?
Who be the waiting for you? Who? Why not waiting for you? Why not ask the question when show go ahead?
If you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.